So walk up to the sink, turn on the water, get front and back of your hands wet, turn off the water, get one pump of soap, and then rub the bubbles on the front of your hands, and then rub the backs of your hands. Then when there's bubbles all over, turn the water back on. Rinse front of hands to get all the bubbles away. Then rinse the back of your hands. Check to make sure there's no bubbles. Whoop. Turn off the water. Get the paper towel. Dry the front of your hands and the back of your hands. Make sure all the water's gone. Take the paper towel, put it in the garbage can, and turn off the lights.